Welcome to another day in the kitchen. Today I am going to make a quick oven curry chicken. So first, chicken wash and clean. I'm going to top it with some olive oil, and then also I like to use olive oil and coconut oil on it. Then I'm gonna pour some seasoning. For the seasoning, you can choose seasoning of your choice. To be honest, I like to use the Maggi chicken seasoning, the black pepper, also all-purpose seasoning. But for the curry, you don't want to put too much of that because the curry is the star of the show. So once you pour all your other seasoning over the chicken, you're gonna pour the curry. And for this purpose, I'll use two different type of curry. I'll use the mild Jamaican curry and my favorite, which is the better pack curry. And that is the better pack curry right there. That's the star of the show. So after you get all your seasoning over your chicken, you're gonna stir, mix. You wanna mix everything together, and then you let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Usually, it's better to have your meat seasoning the day before. Overnight is preference over 30 minutes, but for this purpose, I'm gonna let it marinate for 30 minutes and then get the ball rolling. So usually I like to prepare my aromatics, and as you can see there, I have bell pepper, onion, and the Scotch bonnet pepper. I've never left my Scotch bonnet pepper, and this is what give it the flavor that you guys all craved for, you know. For the curry, I do not like to use tomato. I just stick with these because I feel like tomato take away the taste a bit. Tomato is more for like the stew chicken when you're doing the stew chicken. But for the spice, if you love spice, you could add a lot more Scotch bonnet pepper to it. But for this purpose, I do not want to get it too spicy. I want to keep it so that the kids can have some as well. If it was just for me, I will have at least one or two Scotch bonnet pepper in the preparation of my food. Okay, so now you're gonna pour all those aromatics on the meat, and you're gonna stir it as well. And this is either two way you can do it. If you don't want to pour it on the meat and just go ahead and cook the meat, you could pour it in the pot after, when you're cooking down the curry. But for this purpose, I'm just gonna pour everything in there because this is a different style of curry. This curry is gonna be done in the oven, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you have never seen curry done in the oven. This was something quick, and it came out really good. And it was a quick meal I wanted, and I didn't want to have no fast food or anything like that. Okay, so after marinate for 30 minutes, and that's the container, I'm gonna pour some olive oil in the bottom of the container. So once you pour some olive oil in the bottom of the container, you could use I like to use my hands and just spread it out before I pour the chicken in the pan. You could already see the curry stand out, Look at that. And this is the first time actually I'm trying to make curry this way. And like I said, I felt for curry, but I didn't have the time to cook it over the stove. And I said, you know what, let me just try a different way. And this is my oven curry chicken, you know. So once you pour it in the container, you want to cover it with your foil paper. And once you cover it with your foil paper, the oven already preheat at 400. And at least you're gonna let it stay in there for at least 30 to 45 minutes. 30 to 45 minutes should be good enough. You check it. If you're not satisfied with 30 to 45 minutes, you can bring it up all the way up to an hour, and you should be good. And there you have it. That is how your curry chicken should look after you finish. You know, and usually, like for me, for this curry chicken, I think I topped it off with some white rice in the rice cooker, so it didn't take me long to actually get this meal ready. I think about 30 to 45 minutes, and I am good. I am in for a good meal of the day. And that is it. Oven curry chicken. Well done. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.